good with it? See, know it is your host with the most, checking in with it. Seeing how you living out there. All good. And busting these moves like I do what I do, y'all. Shit. They consider me like the ambassador out here. For the people, to the people, by the people. Seeing what we could do. Cause think 1950, 1960, that wasn't that long ago, y'all. We're not even talking 60 years since the 60s. And that was when it was saying civil rights. I mean, definitely a lot has progressed. Shout out, you see where I'm walking. But progression doesn't mean justice. Doesn't mean done. Like, oh, we arrived, we can bust moves. So now, as the ambassador, I'm gonna say some things. I'm coming up with solutions. You see where I be. I'm gonna show you more where I be. Cause, yeah, you know, as with more money, do come more issues. We got different things to think about. Like, how you gonna work that out between yourself and others. So, you know, you gotta think about that.